Hi, today I'm going to show you how to split cells in LibreOffice Writer. So first, let's create a new table. So I go to icon with insert table and I click on it. Then I need to create here a new table. So I select here dimensions, maybe 5 rows and 5 columns. So I click on it. And then I need to select cells that I want to split. For example, I will select 5 cells and I click right mouse button here. And then I need to select this one option, split cells. Now you need to type here value. I want to split cell into 2, but you can increase this value to 3 or 4 if you want. Everything depends on your preferences. So for example, I will type here 2 and I will set direction to horizontally. Of course, you can select here vertically if you need it, but I will set this one option and I click OK button. After that, we will get this one effect, so it may be really useful in your document projects. So it's all for today. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this video and subscribe my channel, and please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.